What's up, ant lovers? Today I will be talking about how to set up your first test tube for your ants. No. So some things that you will need is test tube, of course, some tweezers, they're always handy, and some cotton wool. So the first thing you want to do with this test tube is fill it up with water about 3/4 way. Okay, so you want it to about 3/4 of the way up. This should be good. So now you get a bit of your cotton here, and you tear a piece off. That should be a good amount. Now you can stuff it in with like a pencil or something, but I'm just going to use my tweezers. And just keep going it in until the thing is a bit damp, but you don't want the water going over it because that's bad. And that's what you want, because then your ants can just suck the water from your test tube. And then all you need to do is put your ants in, put in the other end with cotton. So you want to just tear a little piece off, and then you want to put in your cotton tight, but not too tight. So tight so they don't tight enough so they don't escape, but not too tight so that they can't breathe through the cotton. And yeah, that's all it is for this episode. Quite a short episode, but this is one of the most absolute things you need for ant keeping, especially if you want to start off. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and see you later. Bye. No.